the EST of WWE.
The following contest is a tag team Hell in a Cell match. Introducing first, from Knoxville, Tennessee, the Raw Women's Champion, Bianca Belair.
Just signature, exuberant energy.
Now, Belair is always ready for her next big moment.
And always highly motivated to be the best at everything she does.
Listen to this ovation. The WWE Universe loves cheering on the EST.
Well, come on. Her energy is just infectious. I'd see Graves even dancing over there.
I'm not sure I call that dancing.
Get ready for brutal judgment.
Rhea Ripley is a tough, tough woman.
And representing the Judgment Day, from Adelaide, Australia, Rhea Ripley.
Pure evil on the face of the Eradicator.
You can call it evil, but it's also effective, competing on an even higher level since joining the Judgment Day.
I hate to say it, Corey, but you're right. Absolute dominance from Rhea Ripley as of late. And the Eradicator about to pass her judgment.
Ronda Rousey! Ronda Rousey! Ronda Rousey! Ronda Rousey!
She is quite simply the baddest.
Yeah, and the competition's gonna find that out in just a moment.
And from Venice Beach, California, the baddest woman on the planet, Ronda Rousey.
Won the 2022 Women's Royal Rumble, has held the Raw and Smackdown Women's titles. Rousey is a force to be reckoned with.
Ronda Rousey's got her game face locked. She is ready to compete.
Here comes the Queen, Charlotte Flair.
A woman who has truly done it all in WWE.
And from the Queen City, the SmackDown Women's Champion, Charlotte Flair.
If you want to create a legacy in the WWE Women's division, then Charlotte Flair is the mountain you have to climb.
Yeah, there's no one even close to the amount of accomplishments that Charlotte has.
The WWE ring is her unquestioned kingdom.
Charlotte will stop you and then leave an imprint of her boot tattooed on your face.
Highly skilled in every facet. Strength, brawling ability, risk-taking, mind games.
No other women's competitor has been so decorated, so revered.
Charlotte Flair is ahead of her time. True greatness usually isn't realized until after you've been enshrined in the WWE Hall of Fame. Such is not the case with Charlotte. Just open your eyes and experience the greatness.
Hey, you can't deny the greatness of Charlotte Flair. She always finds a way to handle her business.
And she shows why she's the most ruthless and dominant woman in sports entertainment history.
Always guaranteed to have a vicious plan of attack.
Most are playing checkers, while the Queen is a grand master at chess.
No use in looking for safety in the Hell in a Cell, as we're about to see. Bianca Belair and Rhea Ripley. And across from them, they will be squaring off with Ronda Rousey and Charlotte.
In this business, there are few words more intimidating than Hell in a Cell. Shoulders down. Could she finally put this away?
Kick out just before two.
Somehow still in this fight. Not down and out yet.
As she is, that kendo stick just made her even more so.
The confident Belair not backing down here. Ripley gets her back. Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
Boom, right in the button. Boom! Boom! Solid punch. And she knew Ripley's game plan. And did you hear the impact of that? Uncorks it, uppercut. Plenty of hits coming her way now. She adjusts it and reverses it. Boom, what an uppercut. Oh, able to get the advantage here. What impact. And that was a precisely measured attack.
Battling ringside and our announce table's getting shaky.
That's because Byron is quivering in fear next to me.
I get nervous when the fight comes out here, guys.
She's in the ring now.
Rhea grabs hold.
Clubbing blow to the back.
Big form.
Oh, Joe. She's going for it. This could be. Maybe not.
Their breath out. Effective counter.
Rousey to the outside. Looking bad for her here.
Out of the ring and into hell itself.
An agile escape.
A sidewalk slam. Ooh. Ooh. What a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Bang. She heads into the ring. cell walls.
Ooh, lands the haymaker.
What's she got planned for Ronda?
She hits the wall and just keeps going.
I can't believe she broke through the cell.
That is what real animosity looks like, Saxton.
Look at this, she's going up!
Oh, man. What? Is she crazy? Get back down here.
Keep going. Well, this looks like one of those last gasp efforts, if you ask me.
That's what you gotta do to win this thing.
Starting to climb up the cell wall. This is going to get interesting. To the top of the cell she goes. That's a long ways up.
And somehow, an even longer way down. I hope she knows what she's doing. And enters offense with a powerful purpose.
Every fall on top of the cell is like putting your flesh through a meat grinder.
Charlotte, so impressive, so powerful. Look at the backpack start.
Figure 4 locked in. Charlotte gonna look for the bridge.
Up on their shoulders.
This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process. Someone get the EMTs ready. I just know this isn't gonna end well.
Precariously battling 25 feet up in the air. And that was a well-executed.
They're trying desperately to fall.
Rousey able to ground her opponent. Uh-oh, the arm bar is locked in.
This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process.
Trying to somehow maneuver their body out of this submission. Dropping bombs, and they're free.
Textbook vertical suplex. Bam.
Are these superstars even aware of the peril they're in?
I think they have blinders on, Saxton. I don't think they're completely...
Abdominal stretch. It's locked in.
This is a great way to wear down your opponent.
Oh, I'm gonna tap out here, but it ain't gonna matter.
They still do a lot of damage, though. Looking to find an escape from the abdominal stretch.
Uh-oh, found it. Head scissor takedown, beautiful.
Everyone in this building is just waiting on bait. And here we go. Second leg grab.
There it is, it's locked in.
Smart maneuver.
Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage.
Scouted it and fired back with a punch straight to the face.
With the front face lock applied. Nice suplex.
We knew what we were in for with this matchup, but we didn't think that.
Gotta find a way out of the single leg Boston Crab, and she does.
Showstopper.
Roadhouse kick. Man.
Just blasting back with an elbow to the face.
Warm up the engine.
Charlotte going for the figure 4. When she locks it in, she can bridge out in the figure 8. This one's over. Locked in tight. Charlotte into the bridge. Oh, I'm gonna tap out here, but it ain't gonna matter.
And the agony has no reason to end as we see her tapping out in pain.
Beautiful takedown into the Achilles lock.
Clawing, scratching, doing whatever it takes. She will not let this match end.
There's electricity running through this arena.
Say goodnight.
We've already seen part of the cell break apart. No telling what more can break apart. Now these athletes are taking their chances in a very perilous position at the top of Hell in a Cell.
Ronda in a tight spot. What a barrage of stops.
My gosh, this is making the hair on my neck stand up.
The nervous energy is coming. And here we go. Single leg crab.
Charlotte is in trouble. Gotta find a way out of the single leg Boston Crab. This one right now, this will do it.
Guys, we can see the top of the cell breaking apart.
She can tap out all she wants. It's not gonna put an end to the suffering.
At this point, this is incredibly ill-advised. You're in the middle of a match, and we just saw some serious offense.
Do you hear the WWE Universe?
They are ravenous for these gladiators who are putting life and limb on the line right now.
Oh my God, stop this.
This is too much.
Nasty chop delivered by Charlotte. Natural selection.
The Queen has this wrapped up. Sharp elbow.
This entire arena is on the edge of their seats watching these two clash on top of the cell. Watch out. They're coming towards the announce desk.
What the hell are you doing, Byron? And that was an efficient form of offense with that move.
Man, what a uppercut.
Dragon sleeper applied. This could be it.
I'm going to tap out here, but it ain't going to matter.
Will still do a lot of damage, though.
Could be some collateral. And look at her getting up. She's quitting, but it doesn't save her from the hold here.
It's always disorienting taking those hits above the shoulders.
She's making her way up the side of the cell.
Guys, I can't think of one good reason why she should be up there right now.
So she can jump up and come out and nail the person in the match. We've seen the kind of damage that can happen if you fall from up there. And she's back to harming the leg with that.
So she's putting an emphasis on crippling her opponent.
And with every step up there, the amount of fear on these superstars increases.
The top of the cell is like walking through a minefield.
Bad landing.
This has to be zapping every last bit of energy.
And she's made it to the top.
Only bad things happen up there. A demeaning gaze painted on Flair's face.
And some effective offense with that one.
He takes her down. This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict the...
She's tapping, but it doesn't matter at all in this situation.
Bianca Belair with a strategically placed shot. We've seen some back. Bianca Belair hoisting her up in the air. For the coyote kiss of death.
Belair displaying power.
Belair hoisting up the opposition. This should do it.
How can they even compete up there? How are they not frozen with fear?
When you hold this much contempt for your opponent, you'll do anything you have to drag him to hell. Feed off the WWE Universe. This place is starting to rock.
Oh, a stop right to the back.
Guys, we know just how dangerous Hell in a Cell can be, and we're seeing it up close. She's going for it.
Whoa, didn't expect to see that. Great technique from Rousey.
Bianca Belair pulling one out of Beth Phoenix's playbook.
Why in the world are they doing this? They escaped the dangers of the cell just to fight up to the top where every step could be harassed.
Nice amateur takedown. Hellacious power slam.
Where do these superstars get the idea to do this?
I don't know, but if this is something they dreamt up, I wouldn't want to know what their nightmares look like.
Ease defeat. The Queen looking disgusted to be in the ring.
The power of Bianca Belair.
KO! Yet another big move, guys.
And that was an effective attack, guys.
Battle of the mountain, gentlemen, and these poor souls are duking it out at the summit.
Rhea Ripley has her opponent up for the electric chair.
Facebuster.
A little call and response from the nightmare to the WWE Universe. Well-framed standing moonsault.
They got up there, but how are they going to get down?
I don't know if they thought that far ahead. What a showstopper. Oh, and she turns it around.
Charlotte Flair with a trademark chopping.
Natural salt.
And look at this now, yes, applying the submission hold.
This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great... She's trying to ask for mercy, but not even tapping out can help her. Rousey's getting rowdy as she's bringing this whole arena with her.
Why is she still boasting around? She's in a fight, for goodness sake.
Planet with a facebuster. In terms of worst ideas of all time, fighting on top of the cell is right up there on the list.
You can just feel the imminent disaster in the air.
Ronda Rousey with a takedown. We're going to cinch in the... There it is.
The armbar was locked
in the elbow. Oh, targeting the knee. Ronda rolling through. Check out this power by Rousey.
Hopefully the chain link can stand up to this mayhem.
This isn't what it was made for. Ronda's supposed to be up there. 9.
A little bit of showboating from the baddest woman on the planet.
Crushing them with the splash. Everyone in this arena. Oh boy, here it comes. Will she get it fully locked in?
Wow, the power that takes is insane. Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage.
Oh, serious peril. No, she counters.
A determined look on the face of Ripley, lining it up. Oh, what's coming here?
Oh, look at the start of this. Looks like the ankle lock is cinched in.
Legs are grapevine.
I'm going to tap out here, but it ain't going to matter.
He's still doing.
Hoisted all the way up.
Kiss of death, the KOD.
Belair might have. She's tapping, but it doesn't matter at all in this situation.
Bianca feeling a rush of confidence right now.
Showing off their deadlifting prowess and just...
And what a maneuver we just saw there.
coming down. Oh, look at the start of this. Could be going into the playbook for a submission.
Counters, this could be an opportunity.
This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
It's a roundabouts, and the agony has no reason to end as we see her tapping out in pain. This is beyond dangerous. This is more than reckless. No one should be up there, let alone performing these maneuvers.
Oh, there's the old...
Oh, damage to the hamstrings.
Silent with Alice reversal.
Ronda Rousey submissions. She's trying to ask for mercy, but
Flair delivering the chop. Natural selection.
that one has to end this. Man, 25 feet above the ring. This has catastrophe written all over it.
This is too much, but I can't look away.
And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver.
Ronda Rousey fears no woman. And with every step up there, the amount of fear on these superstars increases.
We're talking sounds like walking through a minefield.
Let's do this.
I've seen it all now.
Are you nuts? I don't know if she can continue after a fall like that.
Our WWE officials will...
Rhea looking to end this one right now. This will do it. The prism trap is in. Look at the power of the nightmare. Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage.
No. Pivot into...
Dragon Sleeper applied. This could be it. This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process. And she can tap out all she wants. It's not going to put an end to the suffering.
She may have something quite dangerous in mind here.
Yeah, you think, Cole? Hell is a mountain, gentlemen, and these
The Queen is looking to put this thing away.
Figure 4 locked in. She's got a bridge, Corey.
Figure 8 on the way.
I'm going to tap out here. And look at her giving up. She's quitting, but it doesn't save her from the hook here. We've seen some battles up in the cell, and nothing good ever comes of it.
She's able to get out of the way.
that won't separate your shoulder. That'll divorce it.
Oh, quite an effective counter.
Bianca Belair just goading her opponent.
Look at the counter.
Charlotte about to fit
It's more than a plan, and it's dominating.
Master chop delivered by